Welcome to RefreshNest, your ultimate destination for practical tips and inspiration to elevate your home's exterior beauty. In today's video, we're focusing on curb appeal, the first impression your home makes on visitors and potential buyers. With just 5 simple steps, you can transform your home's exterior and enhance its curb appeal. From landscaping to exterior maintenance, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and discover how to make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Step 1. Enhance your landscaping. The first step to boosting your home's curb appeal is to enhance your landscaping. Start by trimming overgrown bushes, trees, and shrubs to create a tidy and well-maintained appearance. Consider adding colorful flowers, plants, and mulch to your flower beds for a pop of color and visual interest. Don't forget to maintain your lawn by mowing, edging, and fertilizing regularly to keep it lush and green. Step 2. Upgrade your front door. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior, so why not make it stand out? Consider upgrading your front door with a fresh coat of paint in a bold color that complements your home's exterior palette. You can also add decorative hardware such as a stylish door knocker, handle, or kickplate to enhance the door's aesthetic appeal. Don't forget to clean and polish any existing hardware for a polished finish. Step 3. Install outdoor lighting. Outdoor lighting not only enhances the safety and security of your home, but also adds ambiance and visual appeal. Consider installing pathway lights along your walkway or driveway to guide visitors to your front door. Add accent lighting to highlight architectural features such as columns, arches, or landscaping. You can also install a statement fixture such as a pendant light or lantern above your front door for added drama and elegance. Step 4. Freshen up exterior surfaces. Give your home's exterior surfaces a fresh makeover to instantly boost curb appeal. Start by power washing siding, brick, or stucco to remove dirt, grime, and mildew buildup. Repair any damaged or deteriorating surfaces such as siding, trim, or shutters to restore their appearance and functionality. Consider applying a fresh coat of paint or stain to enhance the overall look and protect against weather damage. Step 5. Add welcoming touches. Complete your home's curb appeal transformation with welcoming touches that invite visitors in with open arms. Add a charming welcome mat, potted plants, or seasonal decorations to your front porch to create a warm and inviting entryway. Consider adding seating such as a bench or rocking chairs where guests can relax and enjoy the view. Don't forget to tidy up clutter and keep pathways clear for a streamlined and inviting approach. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to boost your home's curb appeal and make a lasting impression on visitors and passers-by. By enhancing your landscaping, upgrading your front door, installing outdoor lighting, freshening up exterior surfaces, and adding welcoming touches, you can elevate your home's exterior beauty and create a welcoming atmosphere for all who approach. We hope you found this video helpful as you embark on your curb appeal journey. Don't forget to subscribe to RefreshNest for more tips and inspiration for refreshing your home and living spaces. Until next time, happy curb appeal boosting!